Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty back with a voiceover. Okay y'all, so this unit is going to be from the Wet Lace collection, and right here I'm just showing you the construction of this wig. This unit is by Sensational. It is in the style Morgan. The unit does come with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, I think, child. I think. Did you see it? I don't know. But anyways, right here I'm using my Gots to Be Glued freeze spray, and I'm trying a little different method because I seen a couple of YouTubers doing this, and it seems like the wigs was laying better this way. So we just trying some stuff out, okay? And then I'm just gonna cut that off like so. And then we're gonna like blow dry it, and you guys know I blow dry it on a cool setting. And that's what I'm doing here, just to get it to lay like I want it to lay. Okay, right now I'm just kind of, I got my makeup on, child, and now I'm just kind of going over it with the fine tooth comb, just so those edges can melt a little bit more. I've told you guys before in a previous video that I like to do this because to me it helps it lay better. Okay, right here I'm just cutting off some baby hairs, and yeah, you guys see what I'm doing. But yeah, the rest is just going to be me styling the wig. I'll get into all the details and stuff about the unit down in the outro. I want to say, y'all, make sure you stay tuned because I will be announcing the rules of my giveaway. So please stay tuned for that. And yeah, just continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch to the end, y'all. And I will see you love bugs in my outro. Bye. So I am completely done styling this wig, and I must say, y'all, it's a look. Like, it's definitely a look. Okay, now I want to give you guys some disclaimers. If I keep looking over there, my monitor is there, and I can kind of see if I'm still in focus or not. So just try to pay that no mind. But anyways, y'all, okay, so I did cop this unit with my own coins. Okay, I was looking for you guys a giveaway wig, and I came across Morgan. Honey, I had to get I wanted Morgan, okay? I had to get it so I could review it, and because I love all these wigs from this collection. And I think I said before it was just 3 wigs. It's way more than that, y'all. It's Salona, something with a J, Joanna, or something like that, I think. They recently just came out with one. Somebody did tag me in it. Who tagged me in it, child? Cynthia just tagged me and Wigs and Wanderlust in this Audrey. So this is what Audrey looks like, y'all. So yeah, this collection is a lot bigger than I thought it was. But anyways, this one is Morgan, and I'm pretty sure I said that and talked about it and stuff in my voiceover. But this is Morgan. This is by Sensational. It is their Wet Lace Sensational Cloud 9 Wet Lace series, and I have it in the color Flamboyage Caramel. Now I got this color only because I really wanted 1B, but I got it because I didn't it wasn't a whole lot in stock. It wasn't a whole lot in stock, let me just be honest, y'all. I hate when I go orange, like, oh, okay, maybe it'll stay. But anyways, there wasn't a whole lot in stock, so I really don't care, y'all. Let's just be for real. I don't care about no color. I feel like any color you can rock. I really didn't want like a 613 or anything in this wig. I'd wear it, but it's not really what I wanted, you know. So anyways, this is what it looks like on the card, and it's just showing you some styling options. And as you guys know from the other ones, I think it's 13 by 6 lace frontal. Yeah, 13 by 6, ear to ear with 6 deep hand tied what the hell? I guess he's talking about the lace. Pre-plucked natural density undetectable, flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protect the style, no leave out necessary. And honey, all of that is true. Okay, it's true. And this unit is 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I wanted this particular one because it really gave me that grown and sexy, straight kind of vibe. And I like that. I like that. So, that's why I really wanted this this one. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It comes with this little booklet. And I hope you guys can see this. And it's just kind of showing you what the hairline looks like. And on the back, it's the back. Yeah. The back is where they show you what normal wig hairline look like versus this hairline. Do I got makeup on my nail? I always have makeup on my nails. But yeah, that's what that's showing you on the back. So the whole thing with this What Lay series is that their hairlines are phenomenal. I didn't tweeze this hairline whatsoever. And yeah, like their hairlines are just bomb. Like the hairline is just bomb, honey. Okay. And it does come with baby hairs. I did put a few on here. Now with these type of hairlines, you don't really need baby hairs. I decided to do baby hairs because, child, my stuff wasn't blending the way I needed to. And if I put on any more bronzer on my forehead, y'all gonna come for me. Some of y'all still gonna come for me, but whatever. Whatever. So that's why I did utilize the baby hairs. But to me, you really, with any of these wigs from this series, you don't need baby hairs. And a lot of you may not know this, but a lot of times when people use baby hairs, they're actually using them just to make the unit look more realistic. I personally just like baby hairs. I don't care about the wig looking very realistic, child. It ain't my hair. I don't really care. This is somebody that wears bright green contacts. I don't care about looking natural. But I know that's a thing for a lot of people. So yeah, that's why a lot of people use baby hairs. But with this, any wig from this hair, my memory card was full. So if I look different, that's because I had to delete some stuff. But anyways, I have from that particular collection, I have this one, which is Morgan. I have Celeste, and I also have, what's the curly one? What's the curly one, child? I don't know. I forgot the curly one name. Raina. I have Raina. And I also have the braided unit. But to me, all of these units from this collection, you don't necessarily need baby hairs unless you just like baby hairs like me. You don't really need them to make the unit look good. So anyways, y'all, that's that. Okay, now as for shedding, I haven't noticed any shedding. I haven't noticed any tangling. I didn't have to do any tweezing. So really, I didn't notice any, period. And the wig cap fits really, really good. That's another thing about this collection. I do feel like these wigs are more on the big head friendly side. I love that, especially because you want to lay it down, because it's all about it looking natural. Because you want to lay it down, I really like that it is big head friendly. So shout out to them for that. Y'all, my lips been so chapped and dusty and crusty. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. But yeah. So I love that about this unit. And yeah, so let's do it. That's pretty much it. We'll get into the giveaway, y'all. Don't forget that I am going to be announcing the giveaway at the end of this video. So please keep watching. But anyways, giveaway details. Let's do a length check. Alright, so this is the length of the unit, and it comes to me just under my breast. It's long, but it's not really crazy long. I would say about 22 inches or so. It's not stupid long, but it's a good length. And like I said, I am 5'4", so let's do a full 360, y'all. I don't have on my wig cap, so don't judge me if it's a ball. If y'all see some hair back there, if it's a ball back there, don't judge me, okay? I still haven't gotten that down pat, okay? Boop! Boop! Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And I don't know if you guys are really getting into this color, but this color is really nice. Like, the colors are really underneath the hair. Like, it's hiding. It's like, what was that? The hairstyle, was it in the 80s? I don't know. But they would say, business in the front, party in the back. Like, that's kind of what the vibes it gives me. Like, you kind of look like you got this boring number 4 color, and in the inside, child, you got a whole lot going on. I like that. Anyways, okay, so giveaway details. So y'all, we're at 23K, and I was supposed to be announcing the giveaway and all that. This is for the 20K giveaway, okay? My next giveaway is not gonna be till 30K, okay? Y'all breaking us, sis, okay? We trying to move. Y'all gonna have my pockets dried up. So okay, so my giveaway is gonna be, because you guys really love this wig, and y'all love this collection. I did happen to find a Celeste wig. So this is from the What Lace collection by Sensational, just like this particular unit. And this is Celeste, and I did get it in 1B because that's a safe color. And the only reason I wanted to go ahead and jump on getting it is because they sell out so fast, y'all. They sell out so fast, like, child. So I did go ahead and purchase that, and my husband will ship it to you. Yeah, my husband is gonna make sure it gets shipped, because a lot of y'all be asking me about why do I sell wigs and all that stuff. No, child, I don't, because you would never get it. You would never get it depending on me. Like, my husband, he makes sure wigs, I'll be like, baby, can you take it there or whatever. He'll make sure it gets there. As for me, I'm just not that person, y'all. I have the worst memory on earth, and right now I got a whole lot going on. So right now it's just not the time for me to be selling wigs. So no, I do not sell wigs. Okay. All right, y'all. The other unit, so that's gonna be my first place. You guys know I like to give something fail. You guys know I like to do a first and a second place winner. So my second place winner, and it's usually a wig that's more affordable, because that one was like 50 something, I think. So my second place winner, I'm gonna be giving away Outre and Play Charlene, which is a really nice unit. It's super cute. That's gonna be my second place winner's wig. So okay, so my first place winner is going to get Sensational Celeste, and my second place winner is going to be Outre and Play Charlene. Now, to enter this giveaway, you guys know I always do the same rules, like, okay, the same rules every single time, and that's just comment a crown down below in this video, follow me on Instagram, and which is at DizastrousBeauty. And if you don't have an Instagram, I know y'all here, Journey. If you've been watching me a minute, you already know how they go. If you don't have an Instagram, like my Facebook page, which is also DizastrousBeauty. Child, I know I hadn't posted on there in forever, but whatever. Okay, just go and like that page. And if you don't have any other social media besides YouTube, email me at DizastrousBeauty@gmail.com. okay, I may not respond to your email, but it will let me know that you are, that you followed the rules. Okay, so just do all of that for me, and you're into this giveaway. That's it. Like, okay, follow me on one of those social media accounts, or email me and comment a crown, and of course be subscribed to my channel, y'all. That's a given. Okay, so be subscribed. Let me say this. Okay, let me redo this. Be subscribed to my channel, comment a crown, and be following me on one of those social media platforms, which is either IG or Facebook. And if you have neither, email me. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And y'all, I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all were feeling this wig. Like, I am really liking this series. I think the series is bomb. I think the wigs are gorgeous. Child, my forehead is so big. I'm done. I am done. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, yeah, just subscribe. Okay, subscribe. If you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.